In this video, you will learn how to insert page numbers in different format in Word document. Currently, you can see here I have a Word document and I have used multiple format in this document. If I move downward, you can observe that first two pages are in Roman format. You can see here I have inserted Roman numeral, while rest of page I have inserted Arabic numeral. So let's learn how to insert different formats page number in same Word document. Here is a Word document and you will learn how to insert page numbers with different format in this Word document. Firstly, you will learn how to insert page number. Open your Word document, go to insert option, and under insert option go to this header and footer option, and here is the option of page number. Select this one, click on this down arrow key. Now here you will find multiple options. You can insert page number on top of page, bottom of page, or page margin or current position. I will choose bottom of page, and from here I will select layer number 2, which is the middle of this footer. Select this one. Now you can see here we have successfully inserted page number. I will close header and footer. Again, go to any page number. Now place your cursor on any page number and double click on it. Now you can see here we have opened header and footer. After that, here is the option of page number. Select this one, and here is the option of format page numbers. Choose this option. Now number format I will choose Roman numerals. For example, I will select this one. Start at 1. Click on OK. If you want to remove page number from first page, you can choose this option, different first page. Now you can see here page number is removed from first page and second page contain page number. I am not interested to apply this option, so I will deselect this one. Now we have successfully inserted page number. Now you will learn how to insert page number with different formats. For example, this one is our first page, this one is our second page. Now I am interested to insert page number with different format from third page number. So if you are interested to start the different format from third page number, click on the last of this page number 2 to insert a section break. I will click here. After that, go to layout option, and here is the option of break. Click here. You will find the option of section breaks, and from section breaks I will choose next page. Now we have successfully inserted page break. If I go to home option and click on show height, you can observe that we have successfully inserted section break. I will adjust space. And I will deselect this show height option. After that, I will move downward. Now if I double click on it, you can see here this is the section 1 and this is the section 2. Now move to section 2 option. Double click on this page number. Here you will find the option of link to previous. Deselect this one. And here is the option of page numbers. Select this one. Go to format page numbers. And from here I will choose Arabic numerals. Remember that do not select this option, which is the continue from previous section. Hence always choose start at page 1. If you are interested to start page number from page 2, you can select 2, 3 or any number according to your choice. I will choose 1, and after that click on OK. Now this is our first page. with Roman numerals. This is our second page with Roman numerals, and this is the page number 3 with Arabic numerals. I have started page numbering from first in this section. You can start page numbering continuously or any other format according to your requirement. For example, if I go to page number, if I select this one, go to page number, and here you will find the option of format page number. If you want to insert continuous page numbering, you can select continue from previous section, or you can select manually page number 3 from here and click on OK. So by following this video, you can easily insert multiple formats page number in Microsoft Word document. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.